Kwa kanyo ni obila ma Kisii omako jopuonj 4 e skund sekondar ma Bombaka mayudore Bomachoge Chache tok duoko penj mar otas geography yudore sama penjno dhi nyime. Komanda mar obila ma Kisii Charles Keses oyango maendi kowacho ni apisas mag NEC mane limo gwengego noyudo tesego okinyi ma kawuono. Mane omaki oting'o nyaka maneja ma center mar penj no kod jopuonj moko 3 ka kiny ichwalogi e doho kuom ketho chike mag penj.
There were some materials. Suspicious materials behind the classrooms where the examination was taking place. So they were curious to know what was in the data material. So they discovered that it was geography paper 2, already answered sheets, and they moved in with speed, and they managed to recover the exhibits. And also, our officers from DCI were able to arrest the center manager and 3 other invigilators. So they are in custody, and they will be arraigned in court tomorrow. It appears that this is systematic. There was a deal to assist the students do examination, which is very bad. Precedents, we are not going to allow that to continue. So it will set a bad precedents to other learners. So we shall take action.
Achije moko 2 ma itudo gi NEC